Do you feel like those extra 2 years of like made you a little more like a senior analyst, or not like you felt more mature maybe for compared to some of the other?
Well, I did a little bit, but the funny thing is I missed training. So all the other analysts had like 8 weeks of training or something over the summer, and they gave me like 3 days of training, and then
you're from a liberal arts background with no
right, and they're like weighted average cost of capital. I'm like, I don't know what the hell that is. Like what's this equation? And
oh my gosh,
it was crazy. But basically, but I'd say the big difference though, and this is I think important, is because I had sort of swung the bat and missed on the startup stuff, and because I was so darn thankful to have a job in investment banking, off cycle, old for the grade, whatever. I worked really, really hard, and I didn't treat it as sort of an extension of college the way that some people, I observed doing, right? Saying like, hey, it's Tuesday night, like we're out of work at 10 p.m. Let's go boozing or something. Like I didn't do it. I didn't even come close to doing that stuff. I was probably at the office to midnight more than half the days of my 2 years as an analyst there.